Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. Pretty much in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my curly hair routine. It's been really highly recommended and everybody keeps complimenting on my hair. I've been loving it as well too, and honestly I've been recently doing this for 2 months now. Yeah, I've always just put my hair into braids, and honestly the braids just kind of damaged my hair, so I pretty much figured out and did my research on how to make my hair look like this, and I'm gonna show you guys what I use and how I do my shower routine for my hair. And I'm also gonna show you guys what blonde hair products that I use, so my hair doesn't get like yellow or orangey. It's kind of just like a natural honey blonde. That's really what I've been wanting for my balayage hair, just like a honey blonde. But make sure to follow me on all my social medias. They'll be linked down below as well. And yeah, let's just get right into my shower routine.
Okay, so I am pretty much just washing out all the dirt out of my hair, and I'm starting off with the Carol's Daughter's shampoo, and all the items that I use will be linked down below. And I'm pretty much just putting the Carol's Daughter in my roots, and then I'm going to be going in with the Fanola No Yellow shampoo, which is really purple. And I just like to split my hair into two and just put purple shampoo on the ends of my hair because that's the only part that's blonde. And yes, that pretty much just make sure that's all rubbed in, let that sit for 5 minutes, and I continue to just wash it out. And I obviously just wash my body, but yeah, I didn't record that. But yeah, so I just pretty much just washing it out. Then I'm going in with my conditioner, my Carol's Daughter, just only putting that on my roots. Then going in with the Fanola conditioner, and it smells amazing. It literally smells like caramel. It's literally the best. And I just like to put that on the ends, of course, make sure that's rubbed in. And then I let that sit for a couple more minutes as well, and let that soak through my hair. And then I just brush it out, and I use my wet brush to brush my hair and all the tangles out. I feel like this is the best way to detangle my hair. Okay, so I grab my towel obviously to be dry, but what I don't do is dry my hair with the towel, because that pretty much dries your hair. It makes it more frizzier, and I just squeeze out any extra water, and yeah.
Okay, so I just got out the shower, and what I usually do instead of a towel that I showed you guys, I really pretty much use this cotton t-shirt, pajama shirt, and I use this to dry my hair. And I usually just wrap it up in a in a hair clip, and let it dry, and then do what I have to do, like my makeup and make my bed and organize stuff, and then I do all my work. So I'm gonna put my hair up and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's pretty much how it looks. Sometimes it can get a little loose, but that's okay. It's just to dry my ends and to stay in. It's not really supposed to be tight. Like, if pieces like this fall out, it's fine. It's not gonna be dripping wet. It's gonna probably be damp, which is okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed and put some makeup on, and then I'll be right back. I midway took out my hair while I was doing my makeup. I kind of did a dramatic kind of look for my makeup. I think it looks really cute. Okay, so I usually use the Carol's Daughter. I always use the Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner. I gotta finish this one, but I got a new one, and I just pretty much spray that evenly all through my hair. Just flip it, just like this. Make sure I get my ends. I get my curly hairs because they tend to get really curly, and I kind of just like massage that through my head, and then just like rub it through my scalp, my ends. Okay, so after it looks the leave-in conditioner is in, I am going to center my parts. It's usually right here down the middle. I mean, not down the middle, but like down the right side. Let's see. Just whoop, just pushing that through, going from the ends, then working my way up, and it's way less tingly now. Before it was like really tangled. So I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Eleve Frizz Taming Serum. Sorry, it kind of looks dirty. It's because I had the pudding that I'm gonna put the butter all over it. So, and I pretty much like this, but I think I want to get a spray serum, just because this is only good for like when your hair is wet, I feel like. And then the spray will help for when it's like next day hair. So I think that's what I'm gonna get, a different type of hair serum. But I really like this one because it smells good, and like I said, it works for like when your hair is wet, and it just makes your hair less frizzy, because you could definitely see it's more shinier, and then this side is really dry. See, looks much better. Make sure we're getting those curls in the front, because I really tend to get curly hair in the front, just annoying. So after my hair is like this, I just grab my towel and then I like flip my hair this way just so it can have some more volume, and then I just keep scrunching out my hair like this, and then I keep doing that for a while, and then I'll flip my hair. Show you guys, move this back up a little bit more, just keep scrunching it up, and then I'll flip my hair to the other side. Oops. I'll flip my hair to the other side and just scrunch it up even more over there for a little bit while the frizz serum is in my hair for now, and then I kind of like go upside down, just scrunch it up. And then to get it like curly, I use this curl defining butter by, of course, Carol's Daughter again, and I just take a good amount, like a dollar size amount, and then I just like kind of distribute that all through my ends, and then I go work my way up just like that. And then if I need more, I probably will grab a lot more. I'll probably just grab like a good amount, because my hair is thick, believe it or not. So I just keep scrunching it up, and then once all the product is off of your hands and looks clean, I just go back in with the t-shirt, and then I keep going until my neck breaks. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I just keep going, and then sometimes I'll take a break, let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll keep going again. Sorry, I'm just gonna push you guys back a little bit more. But yeah, so I just keep going like this. You guys can kind of see that the curls are forming, and sometimes my neck gets like really hurts because my hair is thick and heavy, so my neck be breaking by doing this sometimes. That's why I need breaks, and then I let it like sit for a couple minutes, and then I'll like flip my hair while it's air drying, and then I go back in with the towel. Okay, and then I flip it over, just scrunching it up. I just like to move my hair while I dry it. Done. Okay, so this is how my hair looks, almost air dried. It's not fully air dried, so I'm just flipping it back and forth. I'm just flipping it back and forth every 5 minutes or so, and then I'll scrunch it up if I feel like it's still a little damp and it's falling. And yeah, if it's falling. And then yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe for more videos. And I hopefully soon I will be posting a refreshing video of how I refresh my curls. Sorry about the vacuum. My mom is vacuuming, but so yeah, so hopefully I will be posting that video soon. I'm still researching and still looking at YouTube videos of how girls refresh their hair, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.